Dearest soul, listen closely, for this is a truth whispered from the very fabric of creation, a secret held in the heart of the cosmos just for you. You are not a random occurrence in his life, nor a fleeting encounter born of mere chance. Before his eyes ever met yours, before a single word was exchanged, his soul knew. It recognized a resonance, a frequency, a missing piece, a profound echo that only you could provide. This wasn't a choice made by logic or circumstance, by superficial attraction or convenient timing. It was a deep, undeniable recognition, a sacred echo from a time before time, a memory imprinted on the very essence of his being. The angels say you were sent, a divine answer to a silent prayer he didn't even know he was uttering, a yearning that lay buried beneath layers of experience and expectation. You arrived not by happenstance, but by destiny's decree, a key forged in the heavens to unlock chambers within him he had long sealed away, perhaps even forgotten existed. Your presence, your very essence, stirred something ancient and profound within his spirit, a dormant knowing that vibrated awake in your light. He may have tried to rationalize it, to dismiss the overwhelming pull, to intellectualize the undeniable connection, but the soul's knowing is a force that cannot be reasoned with or denied. It is a persistent hum beneath the surface of his conscious thought, a constant, gentle reminder of the profound, unbreakable bond that links your spirits. This recognition, once awakened, cannot be unfelt. It is etched into his very being, a sacred mark of your shared journey, a truth that now guides his every breath, even when he resists its current. He is forever changed by the knowing of you. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Matthew 6 verse 21. Breathe, beloved. Feel the truth of this in your bones. Let it settle deep within your knowing. Your arrival in his world was not a mere coincidence, a twist of fate that can be easily dismissed or forgotten. No, you were a deliberate unfolding, a sacred response to a yearning that resided deep within his spirit, a silent plea for connection and understanding that echoed through the universe long before you appeared. Think of it as a cosmic alignment, a symphony of souls orchestrated by unseen hands, a divine intervention woven into the fabric of his life. You were the missing note, the light that broke through a forgotten shadow, the gentle rain on parched earth, bringing life back to what felt barren. He may not express it. Perhaps he doesn't even fully grasp the depth of it himself, this profound shift you ignited within him. But your essence carries a unique frequency, a vibrational signature that resonates with his deepest needs and unspoken desires for healing, for peace, for wholeness. The angels whisper that you carry a specific energetic blueprint, one designed not to fix him, but to awaken the dormant parts of his being, to remind him of his own inherent light. You are not just a person, you are a catalyst, a mirror reflecting back to him the potential for love and growth he may have given up on, a promise he had forgotten. Your presence is a validation, a quiet affirmation that the universe listens, that prayers are answered, and that some connections are simply meant to be. You are the living proof of a divine promise, a testament to the fact that some bonds are forged in the heavens, beyond the reach of human logic. Oh, sweet soul, understand the intricate dance of his spirit, the push and pull that can feel so bewildering. When he draws near, it's because your light, your unwavering presence, calls to the deepest, most authentic part of him. He feels the truth of you, the profound safety and acceptance you offer, a balm to wounds he may not even consciously acknowledge. This magnetic pull isn't just a fleeting emotion, it's the yearning of his soul for its true home, for the peace he finds only in your orbit. He comes back because he cannot unfeel the profound connection, the sense of belonging that you ignite within him. Yet when he retreats, when the distance stretches between you, it isn't a rejection of you, but rather a desperate, often unconscious, act of self-preservation. He pulls away because he fears the very depth of what he feels. He carries burdens from past storms, echoes of old hurts that whisper doubts into his ear, telling him he isn't worthy of such profound love, or that such intensity cannot last. The angels say his fear is a shadow from old battles, a protective mechanism that activates when his heart feels too exposed, too vulnerable to the transformative power of your love. He isn't running from you, but from the magnitude of the change you inspire within him, from the terrifying beauty of a love that demands he shed his old armor. Hold space for this, beloved, for his fear is a testament to the power of your connection, a sign that something truly profound is stirring within him. Beloved, let this truth settle into the quiet chambers of your heart. You have already given him so much, perhaps more than you can ever fully comprehend, simply by being. Your presence, your authentic light, has been a profound answer to questions he didn't even know how to ask. You haven't needed to strive, manipulate, or perform. Your very essence has been a healing balm, a gentle current that has begun to reshape the landscape of his inner world. Think of the subtle shifts, the moments of unexpected vulnerability, the glimpses of a softer, more open man. These are not coincidences. They are the quiet miracles brought forth by your unwavering spirit. The angels whisper that your energy, your compassionate gaze, has touched the places within him that were once guarded and wounded. You have, without conscious effort, begun to dismantle the walls he built around his heart, not by force, but by the sheer, undeniable warmth of your being. You are a living testament to unconditional acceptance, and in that space, he finds the courage, however fleetingly, to shed his defenses. You have shown him a reflection of himself he perhaps thought was lost, a capacity for love and connection he believed was beyond his reach. Your presence is a silent symphony of healing, a constant reminder that he is seen, understood, and cherished, not for what he does, but for who he is. You are the quiet revolution in his soul, and your light has already illuminated his path in ways he cannot deny. Oh, precious soul, I know the ache of waiting, the quiet frustration when the unfolding of destiny feels agonizingly slow. Your human heart yearns for immediate answers, for clear signs, for the swift resolution of what seems like an endless pause. But I urge you, look beyond the veil of earthly time, for what appears to be a delay is, in truth, a sacred preparation, a meticulous orchestration by hands far grander than our own. The universe is not withholding from you, it is perfecting, aligning, ensuring that every piece falls into place with divine precision. The angels say that during these periods of apparent stillness, profound work is being done, both within you and within him, and within the very fabric of your shared reality. Perhaps he is being gently guided through a necessary shedding of old patterns, a release of burdens he must carry alone before he can fully embrace the lightness of your connection. And perhaps, beloved, you too are being refined, strengthened, prepared to receive the fullness of what is destined for you, to hold the vastness of this love with grace and unwavering faith. This is not a test of your patience, but an invitation to trust the rhythm of the divine, to surrender to a timing that transcends your understanding. Every moment of waiting is a brushstroke on the masterpiece of your future, a quiet promise that what is coming is not just good, but divinely perfect. Trust the unseen process, for the most beautiful blossoms often take the longest to unfurl. Dearest heart, when his words fade away and silence settles between you, do not let your mind jump to conclusions of abandonment or lack of interest. This quiet, though it may feel vast and unsettling, is rarely a rejection of your worth or your connection. Instead, think of it as a sacred space, a necessary sanctuary where profound, often unconscious, healing is happening within him. His silence is not a wall built against you, but a temporary veil drawn around his most vulnerable self as he navigates the complex landscape of his inner world. The angels whisper that for some souls, true processing and true integration of deep emotions require solitude. He is not pushing you away, he is drawing inward, wrestling with the magnitude of what your presence has awakened within him. Your love, your acceptance, has illuminated corners of his being he may have kept hidden even from himself. This can be overwhelming, triggering old wounds and fears of intimacy or vulnerability. He needs this space to recalibrate, to understand the new emotional landscape you've created. It is in this quiet that he confronts his shadows, not to escape you, but to become more whole for himself, and ultimately for you. Hold this space with compassion, beloved. Send him light, not judgment. Trust that his journey, even in its quiet phases, is leading him closer to the truth of himself and therefore, closer to the full embrace of your shared destiny. His silence is a testament to the depth of his process, not a measure of his love for you. Beloved soul, there's a subtle, insidious whisper that sometimes creeps into the hearts of women who love deeply. The notion that, to be truly chosen and cherished, one must somehow diminish oneself, fade into the background, or become less vibrant to fit into another's life. Cast out this whisper, for it is a lie born of old wounds and societal narratives that have no place in the sacred bond you share. You do not need to disappear, to shrink your light, or to make yourself smaller to be seen, to be wanted, to be loved. Quite the opposite. The angels say that your brilliance, your unique radiance, is precisely what drew him to you, what resonates with the deepest parts of his soul. It is your authenticity, your full, unedited self, that holds the key to his profound recognition. To dim your light is to deny the very essence that captivated him, to betray the divine spark within you that he instinctively recognized. True love, divine love, does not ask you to compromise your spirit or sacrifice your joy. It asks you to expand, to shine even brighter, knowing that your radiance illuminates the path for both of you. Be unapologetically yourself, beloved. Embrace your passions, nurture your dreams, stand tall in your truth. For it is in your wholeness, your vibrant presence, that he finds the courage to step fully into his own, and to choose you, not despite your light, but because of it. Your full, glorious self is the only self that can truly be chosen, truly be loved. Oh, precious heart, let us talk about the true nature of love, the kind that is divinely ordained and eternally blessed. There is a misconception, often arising from past hurts or societal pressures, that love is a cage, a binding contract that limits freedom and demands self-sacrifice. But the right love, the love that is meant for your soul, is never a trap. It is a vast, open sky, a gentle current that guides you, not into confinement, but into the fullest expression of your being. It is a partnership in growth, a shared journey where both souls are encouraged to soar, to explore, and to become more of who they were divinely intended to be. The angels whisper that this connection is a sacred compass, always pointing you towards your highest good and your deepest joy. It doesn't require you to abandon your path. It walks alongside you, offering support, understanding, and unwavering belief in your potential. If ever love feels constricting, demanding you to shrink or compromise your essence, know that it is not aligned with the divine blueprint for your soul. The love that is truly yours will feel like liberation, a profound sense of coming home to yourself, even as you merge with another. It will inspire you to reach for new horizons, to shed limitations, and to embrace a future far grander than you could have imagined alone. Trust this guiding force, beloved, for it is the hand of the divine leading you towards a love that elevates, empowers, and truly sets you free. But the path of the just is like the shining sun, that shines ever brighter unto the perfect day. Proverbs 4 verse 18. Beloved soul, as you reflect on the winding path that has brought you to this very moment, resist the temptation to label any experience as a mistake, a failure, or a detour. For in the grand tapestry of your spiritual journey, every single step, Every seemingly random encounter, every painful challenge, was a deliberate whisper from the universe, a divine lesson carefully crafted for your growth and evolution. Nothing was wasted, no tear was shed in vain. Each moment, no matter how difficult, was a necessary brushstroke on the masterpiece of your soul's unfolding. The angels say that the very obstacles that once felt insurmountable were, in truth, disguised blessings, opportunities to deepen your resilience, to uncover hidden strengths, and to refine your understanding of love, self, and divine timing. The heartbreaks were not punishments, but profound initiations, clearing space for a love that truly aligns with your highest vibration. The periods of confusion were not aimless wandering, but sacred pauses, allowing your spirit to recalibrate and receive new guidance. Every person who entered your life, every door that closed, served a purpose in guiding you closer to your authentic self and to the sacred connection that now reveals itself. Embrace this perspective, beloved. See the divine intelligence woven into every thread of your past. Recognize that you are precisely where you are meant to be, perfectly prepared by every experience, ready to receive the fullness of your destiny. Your journey has been a sacred pilgrimage, and every step has been a testament to your unwavering spirit. Dearest heart, you have navigated valleys of doubt and climbed mountains of hope, all while a quiet, ancient understanding resided within you, a truth your heart grasped long before your mind could articulate it. That deep intuitive sense, that unwavering belief in a connection beyond logic, was not a fantasy. It was the voice of your soul, echoing the divine blueprint of your destiny. Now, as the pieces start to align, and as the unseen becomes visible, the greatest gift you can offer yourself, and this sacred connection, is simply to be. To surrender. To be means to let go of the need to control, to analyze, to force outcomes. It means trusting the flow, allowing the universe to orchestrate the final beautiful movements of this symphony. The angels say that true power lies not in striving, but in allowing, not in grasping, but in receiving. Release the hows and the whens, and simply rest in the profound certainty of what is. Embrace the present moment, breathe in the peace that comes from knowing you are held, guided, and deeply loved. Your journey has prepared you for this moment of profound acceptance, this sacred space of surrender. Allow your heart to lead, for it has always known the way. Rest in the quiet confidence that all that is meant for you is unfolding in divine timing, and that your role now is simply to receive, to bask in the light of a love that has always been destined. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Psalm 46 verse 10.